Hey everyone, we're going to take a look at the ULANZI. This is the VL49 video light. So I was browsing Amazon like I usually do, spend way too much time there, but I was looking for some kind of little lights to kind of help with some of my videos, and I ran across these units. Now these are similar to the V49, which actually has a knob that's on the back of it, and you turn the knob, it clicks, turns on, and then you're able to adjust the brightness. It runs on batteries. This is a newer unit that came out not too awful long ago. It's actually rechargeable. As you can see on the box, it has a 2000 milliamp hour battery built into it, and it has digital push button controls on the back. So this is an excellent solution for someone that is wanting to record video or just need to add some additional lighting for whatever it is you may be working on. So this is the box. The 49 represents how many LEDs are in the unit itself. It's fairly small in size. You can see here from the back kind of what the buttons look like. Looking on this side, we can see all the specifications. Color temperature is 5500K. The number of LEDs is 49. Has a CRI of 95 plus. A beam angle of 60 degrees. It's 5 different brightness levels. 800 lumens. 2000 milliamp hours. Max output, you can get up to 1.5 hours. Low output, you can get up to 5 hours. Total power is 6 watts. Now this light was only about $17 on Amazon, to where their older unit, the W49, is running about $13. So at that price, I went ahead and I purchased 2. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Basic packaging, nothing special. We have the light here. We have a USB-C cable here. And then we have the manual. Initial impression, has a really nice diffuser. Can't see the outline of the LEDs that are inside of here, so it's doing a really good job of diffusing the it would do a very good job of diffusing the light since you can't see the shape of the LEDs in there. We have a cold shoe mount on the bottom. It's threaded, so you can use it with your stands. So what is that, 1/4-20? Here we have a cold shoe mount on this side, on the top, and on the other side. So you can take multiples of these and connect them all together to where you can have multiple lights. One of the lights I already have installed on my GoPro, just to give you an idea. So this is my GoPro setup that I have. It's my Rode Wireless Go transmitter. And you can see I have it actually attached to the cold shoe on the side of the ULANZI. Now if I wanted to, I could actually connect another light to the side, or I could connect it to the top. Then you would have multiple lights. And of course you can add as many lights as you wanted to. Looking at the back of the unit, we have a simple on-off switch. We have an M button. And then we have a brightness control. We have brightness up, brightness down. Then right here we have the USB-C plug for charging the unit here. Also noted up here is CRI 95 Plus, which again is the color accuracy. So it's fairly accurate in color, which is 5500K. One thing worth noting is that I did test to see if you could charge this while the light is operational, and it is possible. So if you were using these lights and you were to deplete the battery in the light, you could actually hook it up to a battery bank and continue to run the light off of the battery bank or the battery backup. So if we flip the light on, we can see that there's a single red light here, and this is in its lowest setting. If we push this button, we can see that the light just got brighter. If we push this button, the light's going to get dimmer. And then off. I'm not for sure exactly what the M button does. So we're going to grab the manual and take a look at that real quick. And see, this is the manual that comes with it. So this is the function keys. It says switch brightness and power. I don't know exactly what that means, but we're going to try it real quick and see. So if we push the M button, okay. So if we push the button one time, that shows us how much battery we have. So I'm going to say this is 20% increments. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, because I know it's fully charged. And if we push the button again, it takes us back to our brightness level that we have. So that's what the M button does. Flipping the light around, as you can tell, the diffuser does a really good job. You can't see the LEDs anywhere within the light. This is again on its brightest setting. And so now I am going to turn off the lights and see if we can get an idea as to how bright this light is. So this is my new t-shirts that I'm working on. So that's with the light off. That's with the light on. It's at 40%. That's 50%. 60%. That's 100%. So that's turned off. Let's try that again because I screwed that up. So this is 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%. That's 100%. So now next to me I have the second ULANZI, and so I'm going to turn it on as well. So I'm going to take the first one back down to 20%, which is where it is now. I'll flip on the other one. So now I have two lights and both are at 20%. I'm going to flip one to 40, the other to 40. the other one to 60. Now the other one to 60. Then we're going to go 80, 80. There we go. And then 100, and then 100. Now I'm going to turn both completely off. So as you can tell, it actually makes quite a difference. So again, this is looking at the ULANZI. This is the VL49. And like I said, it's only right when I purchased them, they were $16.95. They're now $17.95. I'll put a link below to the Amazon affiliate link. For the price, these things are amazing. And with the runtime, you can take these with you pretty much anywhere you go. They're small enough. What are they? They're 3.5 inches. So here's a look at my GoPro, and it's almost the same size as it and that module together. And so I believe they're 3.5 inches by almost 2 inches, 1.7 inches thick, from what I understand. So they're small enough that you can throw them into your pocket of like your cargo shorts or whatever and carry them around with you just in case you need them. These are definitely worth the money. I may even go ahead and purchase another one just to go ahead and keep it just in case. So anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and definitely buy these. It's certainly worth it. Thanks. Bye.